we'll move on to 8th chapter. So that is Jati Sutriya Sharida, the last chapter of Charaka Samhita Sharirasthana. Jati Sutra, so the upayas told for the Janma. So taking from Garbhadana till the Prasava. Okay, shloka number 4. To beget the good offspring, so what has to be done? See, the second line there, Samshuddhau Asthapana Anuvasanabhyam Upacharet. अथापि एतौ स्त्रीपुंसयोः स्नेहस्वेदाभ्याम् upapadya vamana virechanabhyam samshodhya. So one has to undergo one who want to beget the good offspring. Okay, so they should undergo vamana virechana asthapana anuvasana. Then we have to administer madhura aushadha samskrita grita kshira for purusha. Important this is, and for stree taila mashabhyasam. Okay, so madhura aushadha siddha kshira and grita prayoga for purusha, taila and that is tila taila and masha for stree. Okay, so this has to be administered for them. Then so next sloka number 5 they have given tatah pushpat prabritihi. So after artava darshana, so 3 ratram, so after third day, that is on the 4th day is very very important. So artava darshana occurs for 3 days, 3 ratram. So to mention the kala they have given. So later on the 4th day. Okay, so one has to wear adhashayina till the 3 days. One has to sleep over the floor directly. The vihara they have told. Then chaturte ahanihi. So on the 4th day, so they have to take snana and shukla vasasa. So white cloth has to be worn. Underline shukla vasa. Yes, yugmeshu tu putra kamau, ayugmeshu druhit kamau. That is for the stree. So if the putra kama, if they want to beget a male child, so they have to do the sahavasa in the yugma days, even days. So if it is putri, so they have to do the intercourse over the ayugma day, that is the odd days. Yugma and ayugma, underline yugmeshu putra kama, ayugmeshu for putri kama. Okay, so Artava Darshana 3 days. So Artava Nivritti takes place on the 4th day. That is very very important day. Okay, then in the Sahavasa Vidhi, the important ones. So Nacha Nyubjam. Nyubja position is contraindicated. Nyubja means so the in the prone position. In the prone position, Sahavasa is contraindicated. So because in Nyubja, Vatam Balavan. So Vata gets aggravated and it does feed off the yoni. Underline Nyubja aggravates the Vata, and in Dakshina Parshva Sleshma gets vitiated. Chutaha Vidadhati Garbhashayam, it closes the Garbhashaya Dwara. Okay, if it is in the Parshva, Dakshina Parshva, so Kapha gets vitiated and it closes the Garbhashaya Marga. If it is Vama Parshva, Pitta gets aggravated and it does the Vidaha of the Rakta and Shukra. Underline in Vama Parshva, Pitta gets aggravated and causes Vidaha of Rakta and Shukra. See, Tasmad Utthana Bijam Grahaniyat. Important this is. In what position bija has to be grahana done. So Tasmad Utthana Bijam Grahaniyat. In the supine position, so woman has to receive the Shukra. Tasmad Utthana Bijam Grahaniyat. Underline. Yatasthanam avatishthante doshaha. So there the 3 doshas will not get vitiated. Okay, so this is the Sahavasa Vidhi. So after that, after the intercourse, one has to take Shitodakena Parishechana. That is, one has to do Snana with the Shitodaka. Important, underline Shita Udaka. Shitodakena Parishechayet. Okay, yes, this is about the Sahavasa Vidhi. So Yugma for the Putra, Ayugma for the Stri. Yes, next they tell about Garbhini Paricharya. Garbha and Garbhini Paricharya. See, again, if they want to beget Parakrami and Paurusha Putra, so they have to use Kamsya, Kamsya or Rajata Patra. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ಲೋಕ ನಂಬರ್ 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. So after Rutusnana, after the 4th day, so one has to do the Ahara Vihara. What they have told, they have to use Rajata and Kansya Patra for Saptaha, 7 days. So one has to consume Godugda. Madhusarpibhyam samsrujya Shwetayaha Goho. Okay, so the cow should be white color. So the white color cow milk has to be taken and it has to be put it in the Kansya or Rajata Patra and has to be consumed for 1 week, 7 days. Okay, and Pratah Kala, Pratascha Shali Yavanna Vikara. So morning Shali and Yavanna has to be taken along with Dadi, Madhu and Sarpi. Underline those. Along with Dadi, Madhu and Sarpi. So Vastra, everything should be Shweta Varna. Shweta Varna Vastra has to be worn. Okay, yes. Next, regarding Putreshti Yajna, they have given some points there. Shloka number 11, 12, 13, 14 in that. Putreshti Yajna. See, so those who want to get the again a brave putra. So Sitam Paschimena Ahata Vastram Sanchaye Shvetarshabhe Vapi Ajinaha. So the Brahmana should sit on Shweta Rishabha. Rishabha is bull. Okay, so Shweta बैल के चर्म पर पुत्र प्राप्ति के लिए बैठना चाहिए. ब्राह्मण should sit on the white bull. Then if it is kshatriya, should sit on the vyagra charma, vyagre charmani. Then if it is vaishya, on avi or mriga charma, avi or mriga charma. Okay, Shvetarshabhe vapi ajinaha, that is the charma on that brahmana prayuktaha. Vyagra charma, he is raja, that is kshatriya. If he is vaishya, he should sit on avi, that is bakra, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, sheep. They should sit and they should do the Putreshti Yajna. The other points, just read it. The coloring is important. Okay, so after that, next is very, very important concept, shloka number 15. So the importance of Panchamahabhutas in the Rupa Utpatti. Rupa Utpatti, very, very important it is. Apitu khalu tejo dhatuhu api udakaha kantihi अक्षधातु प्रायोः अवदात वर्णकरो भवति. For अवदात वर्ण, तेज, जल and आकाश महाभूत, avadata is whitish. Okay, gaura varna. So if there is teja, jala and akasha mahabhuta predominance, there will be gaura varna of the garbha. If it is prithvi, vayu, prayaha, that is teja, prithvi, vayu mahabhuta predominance, then it is krishna varna vikaraha. समसर्वधातु प्रायः श्यामवर्णः. Avadata Krishna Varna and Shama Varna. So when all the Panchamahabhutas are equal, then it will be Shama Varna. When Teja, Jala and Akasha Mahabhuta, it is Avadata. That is Shweta Varna. Prithvi, Vayu, it is Krishna. See, तेज धातु की विद्यमानता कृष्ण वर्ण श्याम वर्ण दोनों में दर्शाई गई है. In the Krishna and Shama, in both tejo dhatu is predominant seen. So the same thing I told, no, in the last MCQ also it was asked which dhatu, which Panchamahabhuta is predominant in all. It is tejo dhatu, varnakara, because of it. So that shloka is very, very important. Yes, so they have given the simile in shloka number 17. Nirmale vasasi suparikalpite ranjanam samuditam animata deva ragam abhinirvartayati. So they have given the two simile here. So when the clean cloth is dipped in the color, so it gets colored evenly. In the same way, when the Stri and Purusha is Shuddha by undergoing Shodhana and following Ahara Vihara and indulging in the sexual intercourse, they get the conception in the same way. That is the simile there. And also Kshiram Dadna Abhishutam. So as in the milk, when you put the pure curd, a little part of the curd, it completely turns into the curd. So Kshira turns into curd. So in the same way, Swabhavam Apadyate. So naturally, so there will be begetting of the good offspring. ಎರಡು simile ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So underline those two. Okay, next Pumsavana Karma, shloka number 19. So you have to remember the Pumsavana Karma Dravyas. So the first one is Goshte Jatasya Negrodha. So the Negroda Praguttarabhyam Shakhabhyam. Okay, so Negroda, so which is towards the Uttara Disha, the branches. Shungo, Anupahata Shunga. So you have to take out the leaves of that. And it has to be put in Dhanyamasha. Dvabhyam Dvana Dhanyamashabhyam, 2 Dhanyamasha, or Gaura Sarshabhabhyam. Okay, or in the Sarshapa, so you have to mix with the Dadhi and you have to take it on the Pushya Nakshatra. That is one formulation. The second one is Jivaka, Rishabaka, Apamarga, Sahachara, Kalka should be mixed with Dugdha and it has to be taken on Pushya Nakshatra. Jivaka, Rishabaka, Apamarga and Sahachara mixed with Dugdha and taken on Pushya Nakshatra. One more is Negrodha with the Sarshapa and Dhanyamasha taken on Pushya Nakshatra. And third one, Kudya Kitakam Matsyakam. Kudya Kita Matsyaka with Anjali. Udaka Anjalaha. So one Anjali water. It has to be taken with the Pushya Nakshatra. And next one is Kanakamayan Rajatan. So either gold or silver Purushakan. So you have to prepare the Murti and that has to be dipped in Dadni Payasaha. Either Dadhi or Kshira. Underline Dadhi or Kshira. Or one Anjali Jala. Prakshipya. You have to dip it and that has to be taken in Pushya Nakshatra. All on Pushya Nakshatra itself. That is one. And one more is Shali with Ushna Jala. Pishta, Shali Pishta, the powder with Ushna Jala. Shali with Ushna Jala, Pachamanasya Ushnam Upagataya Tasyeva cha Pishtasya Udaka Samshrishtasya Rasam. So Dakshine Nasapute. So this is in the form of Nasya. Okay, so it has to be put it in the Dakshina Nasaputa. So Shali Pishta with the Ushna Jala, it has to be smelled. Either it has to be roasted, it has to be prepared, and it has to be smelled. Or it has to be put it in the Dakshina Nasaputa. So 5 preparations they have given for Pumsavana Vidhi. So remember all the 5. See in the commentary they have given. So Pragvakti Bhavat. So till when Pumsavana Karma has to be done till Garbhadharana takes place. So till 2nd month. Okay, till 2nd month of pregnancy it has to be done, because in 3rd month Angavayava formation will takes places. It will almost decide the sex of the fetus, female, male or Napumsaka. So till 2nd month Pumsavana Karma has to be done. Okay, the other Garbhasthapaka Dravyas, shloka number 20, very very important. Endri, Brahmi, Shatavirya, shloka number 20. Endri, Brahmi, Shatavirya, Sahasravirya, Amogha, Avyatha, Shiva, Bala, Arishta, Vatya Pushpi, Vishwaksena. So 11 Dravyas they have given here. So either it has to be Shirasa Dakshinenava Panina Dharanam. It has to be Shirodharana, or it has to be held on the Pani, or it has to be drunken, Pana. Sarpishava Panam, along with the Dugdha, it has to be consumed. Okay, Shiragrahi, Ilandre, it has to be held in the Dakshina Pani, or it has to be drunken. 3 forms of intake. And also Jivaniya Gana, Aushadha Dravyas has to be consumed. And also see, they have told for Snana also. These drugs has to be used for Snana also. So Pana, Snana and Dharana. So next, Garbha Upagatakara Bhavas they have told. Garbha Upagatakara Bhavas. Illi they will give any one of the Vihara and they will ask you. Okay, so ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಹಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು which is ಗರ್ಭ ಉಪಘಾತಕರ ಭಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. See the sleep position they have given. Pratata Utthana Shainyaha. I think 3rd or 4th line it comes. Pratata Utthana Shainyaha. So that is if they sleep in the supine position. Garbhasya Nabhyashrayah Nadi Kantam Anuvastet. So the Nabi Nadi comes towards the neck region. Tikta line. Pratata Uttana Shainyaha. Got it? Vivrata Shaini Naktam Charini Cha Unmattam Janayati. Tikta shloka. Vivrata Shaini Naktam Charini Cha Unmattam Janayati. So Vivrata Shaini, the one who sleeps in the open air, and Nakta Charini, if the pregnant woman walks at night. So she give rise to Unmatta Santana. Important. Vivrita Shaini Naktacharini Unmattam Janayati. Apasmarinam Punaha Kali Kalaha Shilaha. So if she fights, so she will give rise to Apasmara, offspring. Vyavaya Shila Durva Pusham Ahrinkam Strinam Va. So if she is indulging in Vyavaya, Vikrita Santana, 3 and Strina. So विकृत संतान स्त्री के वश में होने वाली गर्भ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then ಶೋಕ ನಿತ್ಯ ಭೀತಂ ಅಪಚಿತ ಅಲ್ಪಾಯುಷಂ ವಾ. So if she is shokayukta, she will give rise to Bhita, that is the offspring who always gets fear. Alpayu, offspring. Okay. Abhidyatri paropatani apinam irsham srinam. So abhidyatri is, so if they have dvesha towards the others, abhidyatri para upatana, so they always the child which borns always wishes bad for others. Paropatana pina irshum strinam va. Stena ayasa bahulam. So if the garbhini does theft, ಕಳ್ತನ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ, the offspring will be alasi. Alasam atidroham. So atidroha karne wala. Akarmana sheelam. Akarmana sheela garbha will occur. So this is regarding the vihara. Yes, continuation there. Swapna nityaha tandra alpagnim va. If the garbhini always sleeps, okay, tandralu, the offspring will be predominance with tandra and alpagni. If the stree is madhyanitya, the offspring will be pipasa, asmrtiman, anavastita chittatvam. So if the garbhini is godha mamsa priya, the offspring will get ashmari meha. Important, underline those. If she is varaha mamsa priya, raktaksha. Important. Ati parusha romanam, raktaksha. If she is matsya mamsa priya, stabdaksha, chiranimesha stabdaksham va. Madhura nitya, if she intakes madhurahara more, it is pramehinam mukam atistaulam va. If she is amla nitya, intakes amla more, the offspring will be raktapittinam tvag akshiroginam va. So underline all those. If she is lavana nitya, intakes lavana more, shigra vali palita, the garbha gets premature graying, khalitya roga. If she is katuka nitya, durbala alpa shukram anapatyam. Okay, so if she intakes more of katu ahara dravya, the garbha will be durbala and alpa shukra anapatya. So you see, this is the later part of the stage of the offspring. That's why garbhadalli mother should do ahara vihara properly. Otherwise, in later part of the life, so we say no genetic. So all this is the one. And tikta nitya, if she intakes more of tikta, the offspring gets shosha. If she is kashaya nitya, shavam anahim udavartini, udavarta. आनः उदावर्त. पितृजास्तु शुक्रदोषाः मातृजैः अपचारै व्याख्याताः. So matru apachara all will lead to the apachara in the offspring. So garbha upagatakara bhava in this vihara and ahara both they have given based on predominance of rasa. ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನು correct ಆಗಿ just they will give you MCQ. ಅದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Yes, next sloka number 22, very very important. The chikitsa, what chikitsa has to be done for the garbhini. So any disease she get during the garbhakala, so she has to be administered with mrudu, madhura, shishira, sukha, sukumara prayaihi, aushada aharaihi upacharet. Okay, so all shita vira dravya, sukakara, sukumara ahara vihara has to be done. Nacha asya. So contraindications, vamana, virechana, shiro virechanani prayojayet. Vamana, virechana, nasya and raktam avacharet. Even raktam mokshana is contraindicated. Na raktam avasechayet. Sarvakalam cha. Then, na asthapana anuvasanam. So asthapana anuvasana is also contraindicated. Va kuryad atyayika vyadehe. So except in atyayika condition, in emergency condition, in others even asthapana anuvasana is also contraindicated. In the emergency conditions, so you can administer asthapana and anuvasana. So other than that, so vamana virechana, shiro virechana, rakta mokshana is contraindicated. So yes, after ashtama masa, after 8th month, vamanadi sadhyeshu. So if it is vamana sadhya vyadhis are there, so after 8th month, mrudu bihi, vamanadi bihi. So tadarthakari chikitsa, mrudu vamana can be given. So allon ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೂರ್ಣಮೇವ ತೈಲ ಪಾತ್ರಂ ಅಸಂಕ್ಷೋಭಾತ್ ಅಭಯತಾಂ ಅಂತರ್ವರ್ತಿ ಭವಂತಿ ಉಪಚರ್ಯಾಹ. Okay, so when you have oil in the patra, oil in the vessel, when you hold it, so little if you shake also it will spill out. In the same way, garbhini, if you do the harsh treatment, so it will be vyapat for her. So there is a simile there. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು contraindications vamana virechana, rakta mokshana, nasya and even basti. Only in atyeka condition you can use asthapana and anuvasana basti. So after, if you want to give the shodhana, you have to give after 8th month. Okay. Okay, illi next if there is garbhasrava, garbhapata, so some important concepts they have given. Shloka number 24. See, search apacharat. So if there is apachara in any of this, if there is any garbhapagatakara bhavas, dvayo trishu va maseshu. So after in 2nd or 3rd month, very very important, underline it is 2nd or 3rd month. Pushpam pashye na asya garbha. So if there is rajasrava, pushpa, that is what artava darshana takes places in 2nd or 3rd month of pregnancy. So na garbha syaditi. So you have to think that, so the garbha pata will takes places. Garbha will not stay. Okay. Ajata sarohi tasmin. Why in the 2nd and 3rd month it will be ajata sara. So there won't be sara formed yet in the 2nd or 3rd month of pregnancy. So till 3rd month of pregnancy it is threatened. Okay. So later after 3rd month, when anga avayava is formed, it becomes vikrita garbha. So till up to 3rd month, so if rajasrava takes places, so you have to consider it as duschikitsya. So from 4th month till 8th month. So from 4th month till 8th month. So if you see this, Srava, what has to be done? they have given. See, from 4th month till 8th month, so if the Garbhini has Krodha, Shoka, Irsha, Bhaya, all those things, so then what Garbhasthapana treatments they have told, that they are explaining now. So one thing they have told, Yoni Pichudharana. So see, Tato Yashti Madhuka Sarpibhyam Parama Shishiravarini Samsitabhyam. So Madhu Yashti with Sarpi, Pichu, it has to be dipped in Shita Jala, Shishiravari. So it has to be used Pichudharana with Yashti Madhu, Sarpi, dipped in Shita Jala, or Shatadhauta or Sahasradhauta Grita, Sarpibhyam Adho Nabehe. So it has to be applied below the Nabi. Shatadhauta and Sahasradhauta Grita. Okay. Then, so Godugda. See, Sarvatascha Gavyena Chena Payasam Gavya Payaha Godugda with Madhuka Ambu and Negrodadi Kashaya. That has to be done Parishechana below the Nabi Pradesha. So the same thing, Aksha Matram, one Aksha. See, alle kottida nodi, Negrodadi, Pichunam Grahet, Atasyeva Aksha Matram Prashayet. So one Aksha. So Kshiri Vriksha or Kashaya Rasa Dravya predominant, Swarasa, it has to be given Pichudharana, otherwise it has to be intaken in the quantity of one Aksha, that is one Tola. Okay. Others you just read it. Okay. So other formulations they have given, just to go through once. So these two are very very important there. Pichudharana with Dravya and Shatadauta and Sasradauta Grita application below the Nabi. And shloka number 26. See, Yasyaha Punaramvanvayat Pushpadarsanam Syat Prayah Tasya Tad Garbhopaghatakaram Bhavanti. So after 4th month, after doing these Ahara Vihara Karmas, if there is Garbhasrava, you have to consider these Garbha Dushti. See, if the Garbhini follows Ushna Tikshna Upayogat. So Mahati Sanjata Sare Garbe Pushpadarsanam Syad Anyova Yonisravataya Garbo Vriddim Na Prapnoti. So Yake Garbo Vriddi Agala after 4th month if she indulges in Tikshna Ushna Ahara Vihara. Okay. Garbo Vriddim Na Prapnoti Nisrutatvat Sa Kalam Avatishtate Atimatram Tam Upavishtakam Iti Achakshate. So there won't be Vridhi, but it stays there. So lakshanas are very important. Garbo vriddhim na prapnoti. Kalam avatishtate atimatram. It stays for longer duration. So that is called as upavishtaka. Upavasa vrata karma parayaha punaha kadaharayaha snehadveshinyaha vata prakopanena uktani sevamanaya garbo vriddhim na prapnoti parishushkatvat. Okay, so if the lady is, if the female is indulging in upavasa, vrata, all those, then if she is sneha dveshi and intakes vata prakopa ahara vihara, so shushkam, so the garbha becomes shushka, and again kalam avatishtate atimatram, it stays for the longer duration. Aspandanatvat, underline aspandana, that is called as nagodara. Okay, so the nidana for both they have given differently. Okay, for upavishtaka in indulging in ushna tikshna ahara vihara. Okay, then vruddhim na prapnoti dirgham avatishtate. For nagodara, if she indulges in upavasa, vrata karma and sneha dveshi, it becomes aspandana shushka, that is nagodara. Okay, so differentiating point for upavishtaka and nagodara. Okay, so the treatment they have given, see, abhikshnam yana vahana apamarjana avajrumbhanaihi upapadanamiti. Shloka number 27. So the treatment should be bhautika jivaniya brahmaniya madura vatahara sarpi. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so when you administer ಭೌತಿಕ ಜೀವನೀಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೀಯ ಮಧುರ ವಾತಾಹಾರ ದ್ರವ್ಯ, so ಗರ್ಭ ವೃದ್ಧಿ takes places. ಗರ್ಭ ವೃದ್ಧಿ takes place. ಗರ್ಭ ವೃದ್ಧಿಕರಃ. So why they have told about yana, vahana, all those? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯಾನ ವಾಹನ ಅವಜೃಂಭಣ ಏನಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಫಾರ್ ನಾಗೋದರ ಅಂಡ್ ಉಪವಿಷ್ಟಕ. For Bhautika, they have given as भूतों को नष्ट करने में विशेष उपयोगी. So see the commentary. Bhautika dravyas for Upavistaka and Nagodara, that is Vacha, Gugulu or Mahapaishachika Grita. Okay, Mahapaishachika Grita. And Jivaniya dravyas, you have no Brahmaniya, Madhura Vatahara dravyas, you know. Then Abhikshnam, Yana Vahana. ಏನಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅಭೀಕ್ಷ್ಣಂ ಯಾನ ವಾಹನ ಅಪಮಾರ್ಜನ ಅವಜೃಂಭಣೈಹಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡ? ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪವಿಷ್ಟಕನಾಗೋದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಯಾನ ವಾಹನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ? ವಾತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಭೌತಿಕ ಜೀವನೀಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೀಯ ದ್ರವ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋದು ವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಕೃತ ಗರ್ಭ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಡ್, ನೋ, it has to be expelled out of the body. So you have to give viharas to expel it out of the body. ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸರ್ಜರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚರಕಚಾರ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ? ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ವಿಹಾರಾಸ್, ಯಾನ, ವಾಹನ, ಪಮಾರ್ಜನ, ಜೃಂಭಣ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇನ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಗರ್ಭ ಔಟ್. ಉಪವಿಷ್ಟಕ ನಾಗೋದರನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. Okay, so brahmana bhautika jeevaniya dravyas to make it grow and it has to expel out of the body. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. See, so the other Leena Garbha Chikitsa they have given. What is the Leena Garbha Chikitsa? ಏನು ಲೀನ ಗರ್ಭ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನ ಗರ್ಭ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಾ? ಉಪವಿಷ್ಟಕ ನಾಗೋದರ ಎರಡು ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಲೀನ ಗರ್ಭ ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಸ್ಯಾಹ ಪುನರ್ಗರ್ಭೆ ಪ್ರಸುಪ್ತೋ ನ ಸ್ಪಂದತೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್. ಪ್ರಸುಪ್ತ ನ ಸ್ಪಂದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪಲ್ಸಟೇಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದೇರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಲೈಫ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೀನ, ಅದೇ, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದೇರ್? So which mamsa they have told? ತಿತ್ತಿರಿ, ತಾಮ್ರಚೂಡ, ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ, ಗವಯ, ಶಿಖಿ, important. Sarpi has to be given with masha yusha. Okay, mamsaras of matsya, gavaya, tittiri, tamrachuda with masha yusha, important, underline. तैलाभ्यंगन च अस्य अभीक्ष्णं उदरं बस्ति वंक्षणोः उरुकटि पार्श्वपृष्ठदेशानि उष्णोपचारेत्. So you have to do the abhyanga, abhyanga to the lower part of the body. Okay, if she is having udavarta, yasyaha punaha udavarta vibandhaha, if she has udavarta in 8th month, important, anuvasana sadhyam. So 8th month, that's what in emergency condition anuvasana astapana can be given anta helidralla. So in 8th month anuvasana has to be given. So anuvasana sadhyam, and also niruha basti should be given. Anuvasana and niruha should be administered in 8th month. Yes, so the how administration of that niruha basti is done is important. Shloka 29, last line, nyubjam to ena asthapan anuvasanabhyam upacharet. In the prone position, nyubja avastha asthapan anuvasana should be given. Okay, so here only the differentiating lakshana between upavishtaka, nagodara, leena garbha, chikitsa for the 3, and when shodhana has to be done in what position, ishte points ಆಯ್ತಾ. So So Antarmrita Garbha, Lakshana and Nidana they have given. Shloka number 30. So you read that. So the Nidhana important they have given, that is Vegadharana, Vishamashana, ಎರಡು important points ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So Antarmrita Garbha, how you know? So there will be no labor pains, that is Avi. Kuksher Garbho Mriyante Tasya Stimitam. So Lakshanas they have given. The Nidana they have given there, I told no important, Vegadharana, Vishamashana. So Lakshanas, Kukshe Antargarbho Mriyate Tasya Stimitam Stabdam Udaram Atatam अस्पंदतो गर्भः शूलम अधिकम उपजायते न च आव्यः प्रादुर्भवन्ति. Underline that. So there will be udara shula but no avi. Avi prasavakala shulam. So avi is prasavakala shula, that will not be there in Antarmrita Garbha. So Lakshana very very important there. Yonir na prasavati अक्षिणी च स्रस्तो भवति ताम्यति व्यथते भ्रमते श्वसिति अरति बहुला च भवति न च वेग प्रादुर्भावो यतावद् उपलभ्यते. So there will be discomfort only physically to the garbhini stree but not through the garbha. So chikitsa they have told. So here again Charaka says that few says it garbhashalya chikitsa has to be done anta helidare. Just go through there. So he gives more importance to basti, snehapana and sneha basti. So he says snehapana and anuvasana basti has to be done. Okay. See here in the commentary they have given for shloka number 31. So garbhashalya chikitsa helidare. So in that context they have given 9th month. So in the 9th month paripakva garbha. So on the same day, garbha nirharana has to be done by mantra aushadha and shalya karma. On the same day garbha nirharana has to be done. So in the context of garbhashalya nirharana, so ama garbha is considered before 5th month. Before 5th month of pregnancy, it is ama garbha. So ama garbha iddaga you can't do shalya chikitsa. So they have told yana, all those viharas. Okay. So after 5th month up to 9th month, it is pakva garbha. So there garbha shalya chikitsa has to be done. Okay. Masanumasika garbhini paricharya very very important. Tumba important. Masanumasika garbhini paricharya. Shloka number 32. So first month, kshiram anupaskritam. So asamskarita kshira. First month. In second month. So and also see in the first month, satme mevacha bhojanam. Satme bhojana. has to be done. In second month, Kshira Madhuraushada Siddha. So second month onwards, Samskarita Dravyas, Madhuraushada Siddha Kshira, second month. Third month, Kshira with Madhu Sarpibhyam. So Madhu and Sarpi should be administered in third month. In fourth month, Kshira with Navanita, that is Akshamatra. Important. Kshira with butter, 1 aksha of butter. Navanita. So third month you are administering Madhu, fourth month butter, fifth month Sarpi. Kshira with Sarpi. Sixth month Kshira Sarpi Madhuraushada Siddham. And the same thing for seventh month, sixth and seventh. Kshira, Sarpi and Madhuraushada Siddha Dravyas. Yes, in the seventh month, see, after seventh month, Tatra Garbhasya Kesha Jayamana Matur Vidaham Kikkisam Vartibihi. So, in the seventh month, Kikkisa takes places. So, what is Kikkisa? Huh? ಏನು ಕಿಕ್ಕಿಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ stretch marks. Stretch marks which occur. So externally they have told Madhu, Sarpi to apply. So there will be Kandu, so Kikkisa will stay. The Chikitsa they have told. So Navanita with Madhuraushada Siddha Dravyas they have to take, and so they have to administer that, and application of Chandana, Mrunala, Kalka, all those. Shirisha, Dhataki, Pushpa, Madhuyashti. So after seventh month, Kikkisa is seen. So in the eighth month, Kshira, Yavagu Siddha Grita. Yavagu should be administered in eighth month. Okay, in the ninth month, Anuvasana Basti. Okay, so in the ninth month, so Madhuraushada Siddha, Yavagu and Anuvasana Basti should be given. And also Pichudharana, Vitta Baladi Dravyas. Pichudharana should be done in the ninth month. So all these is the predominant ahara along with the Satmya ahara, Satmya Bhojana. Predominantly you have to administer these. So what is the benefit of Masanumasika Garbhini Paricharya? Garbhinya Garbhasamaye Garbhadharini Kukshikati Parshvaprushtam Mrudu Bhavati Vatascha Anulomati Mutrapurishe Prakritir Bhavati Sukena Margam Anupadyate Charmanakacha Mardavam Upayati Balavarna Upachiyate Sukhinam Sukhaneshta Kale Prajayate. So it will be helpful for easy prasava. So the benefits of Masanumasika Garbhini Paricharya. So here they will give you any one vikalpa and they'll ask you in which month you are administering this. So next Shrutika Gara is. So all these points, no. So you get from the perception of we have no ಪ್ರಸೂತಿ ತಂತ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ರೋಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕಾಶ್ಯಪ ಸಂಹಿತ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೌಮಾರ ಭೃತ್ಯ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸೂತಿಕಾಗಾರ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಉಪವಿಷ್ಟಕ ನಾಗೋದರ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಸೂತಿಕಾಗಾರ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಸೂತಿಕಾ ಪರಿಚರ್ಯ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನವಜಾತ ಶಿಶು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಶಿಶು ಇಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ರೀಡಾನಕ, ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓದಿ. MCQs, ಮೆನಿ MCQs ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಸೂತಿ ಸ್ತ್ರೀರೋಗ ಅಥವಾ ಕೌಮಾರ ಭೃತ್ಯ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ MCQs ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ PG ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು